Hello everyone, welcome again to this Azure DevOps tutorial. And in this video we will learn how can we customize a particular tag color which is visible on the card of Kanban board. So this is the agenda of this video where we will set color for a particular tag on the Kanban board. Here I am on the Azure DevOps portal. To change the color of a particular tag, first you have to open the Kanban board, and on the Kanban board you have to click on the setting button. This is the third option under this menu which says tag colors. Click on it and again click on this tag color button. So first you have to choose a particular tag. So right now we have only one tag which was added in the previous video of this tutorial, and that was IMP. So suppose I want to change the color of this IMP. If the tag is IMP, then the color should be, suppose I want it this color. Okay, save and close it. This IMP tag was added to this particular card, and hence you can see this tag has been updated with the new color. If you want to apply few more colors to other tags, then you can do that also. For that again you have to click on the setting button, go to the tag colors, again click on the plus tag, and right now if you do not have any existing tag, then you can create from here also. Suppose I'm writing Nitish tag, this is the name of your tag, and the color for this particular tag should be, let's choose the green one. Click on the save and close. And so since we do not have any tag with Nitish tag, that's why the color of this particular tag is not visible to us. Let's add a new tag. Click on this, a particular work item, add a new tag. Okay, so this tag. Okay, save and close it. Now you can see the color of this Nitish tag has been updated to the green one. This was a very quick video, and in this video you learn how can you update the color of a particular tag on the Kanban board. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.